Hey everyone, welcome back to our series of theoretical interview questions for SQL. This is the third video in this series. After watching this video, you will be able to answer the question, what are the differences between dbms and rdbms? Before watching this video, make sure that you have subscribed my channel and hit the bell icon to get a notification for upcoming videos. So let's start the video. A database management system or DBMS is a software that manages the databases. On the other hand, a relational database management system or RDBMS is a type of DBMS that uses a relational model to manage the data. One major difference is how data is stored. In DBMS, data is stored in the format of files, whereas in the RDBMS, data is stored in the format of tables. And this is the diagrammatic representation showing how data is stored in the DBMS and RDBMS, where in RDBMS table is the combination of rows and columns and the cell is the combination of one row and one column. DBMS has a limited support for relationships between the data, where RDBMS supports complex relationships using a primary key and foreign keys. And this is the simple example showing how RDBMS supports relationships using a primary key and foreign key. Normalization, which helps eliminating the data redundancy, is generally not supported by the DBMS, but RDBMS supports normalization to ensure data integrity. In simple terms, normalization involves breaking down a table into a small table. Let me show you what I mean. Here is the employee table without normalization, which has 7 columns and it contains information about an employee's department and project in a same single table. And this is the same employee table after normalization, where separate tables are created to store the information about employees, department and projects. And these tables are created to connect each table with the employee table. ACID properties are essential for reliable transactions. DBMS might not enforce these properties strictly, whereas RDBMS strictly enforces ACID properties, where A is atomicity, C is consistency, I is isolation and T is dependency. DBMS can use various query languages but not SQL. RDBMS, however, primarily uses SQL for querying the data. Handling complex queries efficiently is another area where RDBMS shines compared to the DBMS. Examples of DBMS includes XML databases, flat file system, while examples of RDBMS are MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle database and Microsoft SQL Server. RDBMS enforces data integrity using a constraint and offers a robust concurrency control mechanism, unlike DBMS, which relies more on the application layer. RDBMS also provides an advanced backup and recovery option compared to the basic or limited support offered by the DBMS. DBMS is suitable for small systems or less complex requirements, while RDBMS is ideal for larger systems requiring complex transactions and operations. Finally, DBMS is typically used for a simple application or smaller systems, while RDBMS is used for a complex application with extensive data relationships. In summary, while all RDBMS are DBMS, not all DBMS are RDBMS. RDBMS offers more advanced features for managing relationships data efficiently. I hope this breakdown helps you understand the key differences between DBMS and RDBMS. If you want this PDF, then check out my LinkedIn profile, you will find it there. And if you found this video helpful, then please like this video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video.